Alright, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming here, consider subscribing to the subscribe button. Click on the notification icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So this is what we are going to create. Very simple and easy to do. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. I will change this, touch this place, default background, touch it. This thing will come out, then you delete this text. Come over to this place, we change the background. You go to the gallery. That's where we change the background. Allow this thing to open. The thing normally takes time to open, so you just have to have patience so that the thing will open. So now we'll go to Facebook. That's where the background is located. This is it. This is how the background is. So I don't have much work there. You click OK. This is good. Then we'll now go and import the picture we are working with. I've already taken out the background of this picture with my remove background app. So I'll go to where the remove BG is located. This is it here. We'll touch this. This is the picture here. You see, when you use your remove BG to remove background like this, it will retain the quality of the picture just like this. So after this, you click OK. Then you drag this picture like this, bring it down. This cool. Then you lock this thing. Step 1. Then you now start with the light up. Delete this thing. Then put happy. This thing should be small letter. Then click OK. Bring this one here. Copy another one. Bring it here. Then edit this last one you just copied now. Then put the birthday. This is OK. You click OK here. Increase this one here. Then change this color to this. Change it to this color. This is how I picked this color. You can use your color picker from here. Touch this place. This is, you will now have these two things we have on the working space. You can now just touch this place now. You see the color is showing over here. This place now. Now click OK. That's how you pick your color. Now click OK here now. Then bold this birthday. It's on bold now. Then you change the font. The font I use is this Awake the Beauty. That's the name of the font. Awake the Beauty. Then we will increase it to this. Just this way. Then this one you bold it and change the font. The font you are using is that normal font I normally use. Lemon Milk Bold. Lemon Milk Bold. I will click OK here. This is cool. Then we have to lock this birthday so that it will not disturb us. Then we touch this happy. Keep it somewhere here. Copy this happy again. Bring it down here. We now edit and put the name of the celebrant. Click OK. Drag it. Reduce this thing from here. Keep it somewhere here. Reduce it. You can use your position to position distance. If it's giving you tough time, just like this. Position it. Maintain your alignment. You have to maintain it. So we have to move this happy here, so that the thing will align well. Then we'll copy this name, bring it here, put the name, the date of the, put the date, click OK. This is it. Then increase this thing a little bit, this cool. Then use your position to place this thing at the center of this happy birthday. This is cool. So as you are seeing now, this text is well aligned. That's it. Then you copy this name again, bring it here. We added the name here. Then change the color to this one. I also picked this color from here. Then we change the typeface to Awake the Beauty. That's the font we use. That's it here. So we now touch this picture. We have to increase this picture a little bit. This picture is somewhere near this name. This is it here, and this is cool. This is how I just created that design. It's simple and easy to create. So if you want to design it, you can redesign it. So thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel, share my videos to your friends, and see you next time in my next video.